In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under distributive trade. So focus on the subtopic, the wholesaler. So we have 8 repeated questions practice with for this subtopic. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the major function of the wholesaler is to his customers is breaking of bulk, stocking a variety of goods, providing transport facilities, offering personal services. The right answer is option A, which is breaking the bulk. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, unlike the retailer, the wholesaler provides useful information to the manufacturer about consumers' taste, after sales service the consumer, useful information about market trends and finance the manufacturer, useful information to the customers on the benefits and uses of the products. The right answer is option A. The wholesaler provides useful information to the manufacturer about consumers' tastes. Okay. Next question is this one. It says, wholesalers play an important role in the distribution of goods and services because they finance both producers and retailers, sell in small units to consumers, are located very close to consumers, pass information on from retailers to consumers. So guys, the right answer to this question is they finance both producers and retailers. Okay, next question is this one. It says, the distribution channel that contributes most to the cost of production is, we have producer, retailer, consumer, producer, retailer, wholesaler, consumer, producer, wholesaler, retailer, consumer, producer, wholesaler, consumer. So guys, the right answer here is that the distribution channel that contributes most to the cost of production is from producer to wholesaler, from wholesaler to retailer, from retailer to consumer. The right answer is option C. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, the final stage in the production process of any commodity involves its movement from the wholesaler to the retailer, retailer to the wholesaler, producer to the wholesaler, retailer to the consumer. So the final stage is from the retailer to the consumer, option D. Okay, very important. The next question is this one. It says, who among the following is the intermediary between the producer and the retailer? So it's very obvious, the wholesaler, option C. So the wholesaler is an intermediary between the producer and the retailer. Next question is this one. It says, wholesalers are considered a bulk breaker because they provide loan to the producers, provide warehousing facilities, sell in small unit, sell in small quantity to the retailer, sell in smaller quantities to the consumer. The right answer to this question is option C, which they sell in smaller quantity to the retailer. The last question for end this video is this one. It says, which of the following functions does the wholesaler perform to save the retailer burden of carrying large stocks? We have breaking the bulk, picking the goods in smaller containers, providing vital information, grant credit facilities. So it's all of them, guys. The right answer is option A. All of them, all the options here are the functions of the wholesaler. These are what the wholesalers do to save the retailer burden of carrying large stocks. Okay, so option A, all of them. So this basically can do the problems involving the subtopic, the wholesaler, and distributive trade. Practice with 8 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information to help you to excel in your SNE exam like a JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. So having known this, click on the next corner above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.